Today, let us look at the concept of afterlife in Igbo traditional belief. The Igbo people are fully aware that death is a universal and inevitable phenomenon. This is expressed in saying, which translates to death reaches every length and breadth of Igbo society. In Igbo land, names reflect the fact that death fears no one, knows no king, respects neither wealth nor strength, and does not discriminate. For the Igbo people, life is not complete without death. Human existence in this world is merely one stage in the overall journey of life that each person will experience. But where does the soul go when death comes knocking? Heaven and hell have no place in Igbo traditional beliefs. The Igbo believe that when the soul departs the body, it enters the discarnate realm, the world of spirits, and that burial and funeral rites influence the condition of a soul in the discarnate realm. If properly done, it will help a soul achieve peace, tranquility in the discarnate realm, and to a satisfactory positioning for reincarnation. A chance to return to the living world and fulfill its destiny once again. However, if not done properly, the soul may suffer, becoming a restless spirit that seeks justice and peace. This could provoke its anger, which may be directed towards the offspring. The journey of life does not end with death. When an Igbo soul leaves its physical body, it journeys back to the land of the spirit, from where it reincarnates, and this will continue until it fulfills its purpose. Only then does it join the ancestors, those revered figures whose wisdom and strength guide the living.